Alright, hi guys. As you can see, I cut my finger, but yeah, whatever. This is another unboxing. I think this might be the Spongebob plush. Let me just check. I think this is probably the Spongebob plush. Oh, yeah, looks like it. Alright, let's go. Yep, it is. It's the Spongebob plush. Oh man. So yeah, I have a Patrick. I'm gonna go get the Patrick. And there we go. I got my Patrick here, so I got the Spongebob too. I'm like, oh, hi SpongeBob.
Yeah, I'm stuck into this box. Can you help me out?
Yeah, I got the Patrick. Now I got the SpongeBob. And yeah, this was the unboxing video for the SpongeBob. Oh wow. It came in a Ziploc bag. Thanks, Amazon. Oh my god. At least I think it's Ziploc. It doesn't look like that way. Oh, but it is. Open! There we go. Got it out. Alright. This is a beanie baby, by the way. This is a toy beanie baby. SpongeBob plush. Let's move the nose down. And yeah, this is the SpongeBob plush. Okay, stand test, everybody. Stand test. Oh my god, alert, stand test. Let's see if this thing... Oh my god, my camera stand. What the hell, bruh? Fix yourself. Alright, let's see. Let's see if this can stand. Can this thing stand? No, it can't. I have to hold this thing throughout all my videos. Great. Well, I mean, it can probably sit. See if it can sit. No, it can't even sit. Yep, well, this thing can't do any of that stuff, but I mean, who cares? Still a decent plush. And I came in a Ziploc bag. So, thanks, Amazon. I appreciate that. So, yeah. But also, guys, I'm gonna go bring my Iggy in here. So yeah, I got that was an interruption from my sister. I got this Iggy here. This is the new Iggy that I'm gonna use in my videos. And then this is the old Iggy, and I actually cut the glasses off this one because I'm using this as an alternative. Amazon, okay, okay, just look at this. Look at this. This is Amazon. Yeah, you see that? That's Amazon. That's good condition plush. You see this? You see this? This is Amazon Express. Wait, Amazon Express. I mean AliExpress. Yeah, this is AliExpress. Terrible. Go with Amazon, people. Go with Amazon when you're trying to do this, please. I'm overreacting everything. We're not even talking about Iggy right now. Get out of here. We're talking about SpongeBob. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to use this in future videos. And also, just like the reminder yesterday. Well, it was like 2 days ago, but whatever. Just like the reminder from 2 days ago. We won't be posting any videos until December 26th. And also, guys, if you want to, type in the comments below. Because we're going to be doing another video on December 30th. Type in the comments below what you want that video to be called. And I actually might be planning SpongeBob's New Year's resolutions, which, I don't know, it seems like a cool video. But anyway, oh my god, I forgot. I can't really use my right thumb for this. So here's my face. I got a haircut. Here's Patrick. Here's SpongeBob, and peace out, y'all. Woo! Oh my god.